week of before Donovan was born, I had really high blood pressure, so they basically kept me on lockdown on the left side, on my left side, to lower my blood pressure. And in order to manifest Donovan being born, everyone kept leaving messages on the refrigerator with those little ABC magnets. And so they kept leaving messages for Donovan and predicting Donovan's birth. And it turns out that August 7th was actually when he was born. But this is footage of my mom and my little sister in the kitchen, which is so funny because they kind of mumble. So you still can't quite hear or understand what it is they're saying, but you kind of get the gist of it. Some things never change.
Next interview that we will do is many Italians hang out in the kitchen. Now, okay, could I ask you something?
No.
Well, I'm going to anyway. Michelle, how do you feel about your daughter having a baby?
I feel like...
Nobody will talk to me, I just don't know. Okay, let's go check out our focus point. This is our little focus point. There we go. For Rachel. We love you, Rachel. One thing, and I won't bug you for the rest of the night. Please?
What do you want to know?
Okay, I wanted to ask you, what would you like to say to your daughter? Rachel.
Isn't this to Donovan?
And this is to Donovan also, but I want to know what you want to say to Rachel first.
I think she's going to be just fine.
Okay.
And everything's going to turn out just fine.
Okay.
And great.
Good.
And wonderful.
Good, good. And what would you like to say?
Incredibly brave and wonderful.
Oh, good, 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 good. And there it is.
There it is.
And what would you like to say to your little grandson, Donovan?
But he's already a troublemaker. And... and... we don't know if it's Donovan. It's Donovan.
Of Donovet? He could be a Donovet, huh?
No. You would be sucking now.
Okay. Could you close the refrigerator, please? Sarah's always either doing a Q-tip or sticking food in her mouth. Saralina.
Because we really need to do this bean stuff.
Okay, could I please just film the front of the refrigerator? This is a message to Donovan. Okay, here we go. Donovan, quit stalling. Open sesame cervix. No. What does that say?
I don't know.
No pain, no pain. On the 7th of August, you're going to be born. We willed it onto the refrigerator. Okay, what does that say? Supercalifragilistic.
Cubicogalicious.
Is that what it says?
I don't know. It's scary.
Could you say it fast one more time?
Supercalifragilistic cubicogalicious.
Okay. All right. For all Freds on the planet, that affects you. Okay, Donovan, quit stalling. Do. Next chapter, Rachel in labor.